All right. You want a hint? Yeah. Hotels exist in places other than just in the world for brick and mortar. Where else are hotels? Okay. Sometimes it's fun to have hotels. It's always great to have hotels at sometimes if you're with other people doing something.
She's having an affair.
Maybe not that kind of fun. Maybe if you were playing a game of sorts.
Clue.
They're playing Monopoly.
Monopoly. Yes, she landed on a hotel. She knew bankrupt. Okay. A man walked into a restaurant. This one has two different answers you could have. Man walked into a restaurant and asked for a drink of water. The waiter suddenly pulled out a gun and pointed it at him. A few seconds elapsed. Then the man smiled, thanked the waiter, and left. What happened?
Oh my gosh, it's The Incredibles. When he took the sip and the guy and the cop had the gun, he's like, freeze. And the guy walked out.
That was funny.
Somebody said,
Get a water gun.
it's a water gun. That's one of the two answers, because he wanted a drink of water, so there you go. He gave him a drink of water. Smiled, said thank you, moved on. I know. The other one is a little bit more in depth. I'm gonna kind of probe you guys for this and give you a couple of hints. You ready? Mm-hmm. Why else would you need a drink of water if you were not thirsty? If you were choking, yeah, I guess so. But he asked, though, so technically, if you're choking, you cannot talk. Well, why would a drink of water first off, someone pulls a gun, what does that do to you?
Hiccups.
It scares you, and there's water involved he was asking for. The gun scares him, he had the hiccups. Hiccups.
For hiccups, it's scary.
That's not us. Is it?
No, there's usually two bells in us.
You lunch.
I'm gonna 17 minutes.
I keep looking at this stupid schedule. Okay, we're golden.
What is that advisory?
We're golden.
You don't have the advisory?
Yes. I need to just move that one down. Okay. A doctor, a lawyer, and an engineer. So 3 people here now. We're in a house. A police officer walked by and heard, "Oh no, John, don't." And then a shot. Pow! The police officer went into the house and saw a dead woman and a gun lying on the floor. He turned to the lawyer and said, "You're under arrest." How did the police officer know?
Because the doctor's trying to save her.
The doctor was trying to save her, so the doctor's working on her, so that couldn't be the killer. That's your motive, or that's what you got going there?
Right. The lawyer, she didn't pay the lawyer when she was...
An engineer was, I don't know, the woman.
The engineer was a, what?
The engineer was the woman that my doctor.
So you're saying the dead person was the engineer?
The doctor was the woman.
The doctor was the dead person?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. So, all right. So the doctor is dead, and the doctor is the woman. All right. Keep going. Now, where are we going with this? How do we know it's the lawyer?
Because, he's like a lawyer, so he knows how the law works.
So he's a lawyer, he knows how the law works, so he should know don't shoot somebody and kill them, or you go to jail.
Or did the cop?
Did the cop, man, this is like a soap opera here. Did the cop do it? No, it's not the cop.
Oh, well, you didn't tell me.
The cop has it right. It was the lawyer.
Alright, we need a hand.
Alright, you need a hint? Oh no, John, don't. That's the hint. The other two were females. John was the only man in the house. The lawyer was John, and therefore John goes to jail because they called out his name and told him don't shoot. And he was the only John. There's no girls that I know named John. I do know a boy named Sue. Have you guys heard that song? A Boy Named Sue? I'll have to play it for you sometime. All right, next up. One night, my uncle was reading an exciting book when his wife turned out the light. Even though the room was pitch black, he went right on reading. How did he do that?
Oh, he's doing
Braille.
Braille, yeah.
He's blind and he's reading Braille. That is the number one answer in America. Good job.
We're rich, bro.
Yeah.
All right, for $5,000. Last week I turned off the light in my bedroom and managed to get to bed before the room was dark. If the bed was 10 feet away from the light switch that controlled the light, how did I do it? For $5,000.
Okay, cool. You know if you're saying
A clapper?
Yeah.
Nope.
Oh, no, yeah, one of the remotes.
A remote?
Just
Nope.
saying, you know if you give us $5,000, it's kind of like Wheel of Fortune.
You threw a book at it.
Steve Harvey just did. He threw a book at it?
He does?
Nope.
Steve Harvey does that? I thought it's like.
You had
That's
two
Same
switches.
with you win money.
Shut up.
What?
Next. Come on. Come on, how'd he do it?
He had two different switches.
He had two different switches? Nope. She said he has a pull chain on the deal? Nope.
Dang, this one's tough. Wait, hang on, let me read it again.
The light switch.
Last week I turned off the light in my bedroom and managed to get to bed before the room was dark. If the bed
Oh, it was light outside.
Ah.
Yeah, it wasn't day.
Number one answer in America, it was still light outside. It was daytime. $5,000 for the fellas in the back. Now the next one is worth $2,000. The Reverend Terry Fallhard announced that Sunday she would perform a great miracle. She said that she would walk on the surface of the Hudson River without sinking into the water. A large crowd gathered to witness the event. The Reverend did exactly what she said she would. How? She was on a boat.
Life jacket.
A life jacket.
She sung. She had a life jacket.
It was ice.
It was frozen. It was ice. It was ice. $2,000 up front to you. The Hudson River is located in what state? History or geography lesson?
New York.
New York. It gets cold up there, and
The
there
only
you
reason
go.
I know that is because I watched the what's it called? The Hudson.
The Hudson, the plane that landed there. Osgood Farkle of Podunk County has married 20 different women from the same town. No, it is not Poth. It is Podunk County. Okay, all are still living, and he never divorced any of them. Yet he broke no law. Can you explain? He does not live in Utah.
He's a Mormon.
He is not Mormon, and that's now illegal.
The wife has different personalities.
The wife has multiple personality
Personality
disorders. Holy cow. Wow. Never had that one before. But that's very creative.
What's that one movie? It has the guy with four
Yes.
personalities.
He's pretty good. Yes.
Oh, Amish. Don't they do that too?
Amish? No. I don't know about their deals, but no. No law broken here. He married 20 different women from the same town.
Wait, but if you cheat on someone, that's not breaking the law.
That's not marrying them
Was
either.
he the speaker?
What do you mean?
It's a law.
I don't know
Explain.
what they're called. You know,
They have multiple names. Go ahead.
you know,
Give me any of them.
the man that sits and gives the talk before.
So she said, let me say hers and see if we can help out. She said, is he the guy that sits and does the talk that
Oh my gosh!
Oh, the priest?
the priest, preacher, reverend, whatever, okay, depending upon the religion. Yes, yes.
Oh my.
You finally got some money.
You got some money. That one was only worth 35 cents. Alright. The next one is a $10,000 question. Here we go.
If we get this, we beat you guys.
The parrot will repeat any word it hears, said the pet shop owner. Y'all listening? Y'all ready? A woman bought the bird, but brought it back a week later to complain that the bird had not yet spoken a single word. However, the pet shop owner had told the truth. Explain.
The parrot was deaf.
What?
The parrot was deaf.
The parrot was deaf?
Yeah. So you can't hear.
The parrot was deaf.
He speaks a
Is that
different
wrong?
I'm
language.
messing with you.
That is the number one answer in America. The parrot was deaf. He would repeat anything he heard, but he couldn't hear anything. $10,000 and a new car. All right.